Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Mesram, Assistant Professor, Department of Pakatantra and Vidhi Vaidikam, Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur. Students, we are starting new topic from today in the forensic medicine, that is adipocare formation. What is adipocare formation? The definition of adipocare formation is the adipocare formation is defined as the formation of white, soft, crumbly, waxy, and greasy material occurring in the body or fat containing tissue of the dead body. This is called as adipocare. The adipocare formation is modified process of the putrefaction. Here the adipose means soft fat and the sera means wax. Rarely in infants and infrequently in the obese person, the process may involve the body. Then the time required for adipocare formation. Here the fat in the body is the factor which mainly responsible for adipocare formation. If the percentage of fat is about 20%, then its formation of the adipocare is after the 1 month. If the fat percentage is about 70%, then it uh, leads to formation of adipocare after 3 months. Then after the mechanism of adipocare formation. Here the fat in the body, that is fat cell, leads to the formation of firmer fat, which is unsaturated fatty acid by the process of hydrolysis. This unsaturated fatty acid goes under hydrogenation and leads to saturated fatty acid, leads to final formation of adipose. The stearic acid, palmic acid, oleic acid, hepta and octa decanic acids are responsible for adipocare formation. These fatty acids are combined with calcium and ammonium ion to form insoluble soap. Therefore, these changes is also known as saponification. This soap, being acidic, inhibit the bacterial growth and thus preserve the body. This is the formation of adipocare. Okay, this coloration, that is pale white coloration formation, is uh, present in the adipocare. Okay. The essential requirements are absences of air, then excess of moisture and warmth are the uh, positive factors for formation of adipocare. Ideally, adipocare formation occurs in the dead bodies which are lying in the water or in the damp earth surrounding or are buried in the damp clary soil. Then adipocare formation start in the subcutaneous fat and is marked in the area having excessive fat, example cheeks, female breast, abdomen and buttocks. Then slowly the whole body including muscles and internal viscera changes into adipocare. Finally the epidermis is the lost and dermis darker. The small muscle get dry up, that is dehydrated, which is leads to the formation of adipocare. Then characteristics. Here the order is agonical and the fresh adipocare in touch is soft, moist, yellowish, greasy and waxy in feel. Then color. Color is about white to grayish white or brown color. Then inflammability, it is inflammable, one with the yellow flame. Okay. Then solubility. It is soluble in water but dissolved in alcohol and ether. Then the distribution. It is the site where the fatty tissue are present. And chemically, palmitic acid, oleic acid, and stearic acids are present in adipocare. Okay, here the important point is the inflammability of the adipocare. Okay, it burns in the yellow flame. Then factors influencing the process are the atmospheric or environmental temperature. Here the heat fires and cold retard the process of adipocare in the changes in body, and it directly promotes the chemical reaction required for the change. High temperature helps to invade the fatty tissue. Then Clostridium which liberates lecithin that helps breakdown of fat cells. Then moisture. Water is essential for the chemical reaction to occur. Then intrinsic fluid, that is fluid present in the body tissue, is used in the initial ways for the starting of the process, but the presence of water in the environmental moisture is in air which is necessary for this process. Then air movement. Air movement retards the process of edible formation by evaporation of the body fluid and by reducing the body temperature. The adipocare formation retards. Then running water. In the case of submerged body in the water, it retards the process of the adipocare formation by constantly washing out the electrolyte from the surface of the body, which is necessary for completing of the charge. The medico-legal importance of adequate formation. It is another serious sign of the death. It gives the rough idea about the time passes after the death, as the body and its counter is well preserved. Identification of the subject possible even after the long period. Similarly, as the body is not destroyed, the injuries over the body remains intact and unchanged, and this can be recognized even after the long period. There are also some idea about the place of the disposal of the body can be made, which should be warm place with the high humidity or presence of moisture or water. Thank you, student. In this lecture, we study the adipocar formation. In another day, we will start the another topic of forensic medicine. Thank you.